All right, so I built this training page. And here's the thing, if you're on YouTube, go to the link underneath this, click the first link in the description, and then you'll be on my training page. And what it is it's about 20, 30, 35, 33 minutes worth of what to actually set up in each supplement, okay? So I'm gonna do my due diligence. I'm gonna have the supplement maxed out, right? And then you're gonna go and you're gonna make sure that certain things are situated and set up so that we can win, okay? It's not magic. It's not like you can just make up the numbers. You can just make, we're using Xactimate, and Xactimate has its own system, okay? So I'm gonna go through how to set up the emails. I'm gonna go how to set up the pictures. Watch the videos, guys. And here's the thing, I don't want to invest and give you all these, I'm doing 3 free phone calls to the insurance company on 3-way with you so that I know that you've got this system down, And then if you don't want to do that because you're, maxed out with time, I mean, I get it, guys. Most people, they get into business and they start trying to be the jack of all trades, right? And they get to the point where they're like, their relationships are failing and they're not seeing their kids enough, and like they might be building the roof and then putting the orders in and then showing up, and they're the guy that actually manages the build, and then they're doing supplements, and then they're taking all the pictures, and then they're collecting all the checks, and they're the jack of all trades. And what I'm trying to do is make it so a part of this you don't have to go through, But for you not to be able to go through that, we've still got to set it up properly. We can't just be like, oh well, let's just try this out. This isn't a try. This is something that works if you set it up properly. So let's set it up properly. Go through these videos. And I know it's kind of like I'm beating a dead horse on certain things, but you're going to have some sales guys, right? And you're going to send them through this training. And like you've got one sales guy, right? And he doesn't like to take pictures. He doesn't keep track of stuff. He doesn't get paid for that. I don't get paid for that, Throw him through this, And that way you can hold him accountable because you know what he's learned. So you could be like, look guys, I sent you through that training for a reason, and now I can hold you accountable because it's in 3D. It's popping off the page what they have to do, right? When it comes to measurements, everything, just keep track, watch out, and when we make these phone calls together, I'm going to know, or I'm going to know that you didn't. It's going to be apparent to me that you went through this training. So I know everybody, they want the silver bullet, they want the easy way. But this is the easy way, This is the easiest way. And I've got companies all over America that are using this system, and it's so simple, And all you got to do is just put in the work and figure it out, And then we're going to walk through this step by step. But I'm not going to hold your hand. You probably don't look like I should hold your hand. Ew. I probably don't look like you should hold my hand.